Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Hey guys, today we are going to try the quintessential Bali dish, Balinese if you will, the Nasi Champur. You might remember champur from the Okinawan word champuru, which means a mix of things. And this dish has rice with a mix of many things like fried veggies, eggs, and some salad, meat, and of course sambar. Samurai champuru fans will remember the word champuru. Champuru comes from champuru. Now let's see how it tastes. Right. It tastes like a typical fried vegetable with batter, but the freshness of the vegetables are still intact. I don't know how they do that. And there's this very juicy layer right between the outer and inner rings of vegetables. Maybe some egg in there. Wow, that's really unique. Now this place makes really good barbecue chicken. And I returned here to try some other dish. That's a typical Indonesian chicken, you know. Very juicy, very healthy, cooked with some herbs. And there's another dish called Ayam pop, which is chicken pop. They cook chicken with herbs, steam it, and it's incredibly healthy. So if you're a fitness freak, probably that's the one for you. I guess Nasi Champur lives up to the name of being a dish with many sides. But I have to say the barbecue, the grilled chicken here was very amazing. We even gave some sides of beef soup along with a lot of veggies. That was something I wish to make a video of, but maybe next time, yeah. Alright guys, bye bye.
Ini namanya tahu tempe kecap.
Ah, okay.
Ini
Enak ini mas.
terima kasih.
Bye bye.
This is my kitchen.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
One.
Video.
Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you.
bye.
Hey guys, we are at Padang Padang beach now. Padang Padang, like what Lisa says, eh? The K-pop store of Blackpink. Hey guys, now we are going to try a special dish from Bali. This one is a bit spicy, so maybe this is more to my liking. The name is Ayam betutu. This is made from chicken with a lot of spices. I just ordered the dry one. This looks more like a grilled chicken. And of course it comes with peanuts, some vegetables, a lot of sambal and some onion with rice, of course. And this is iced teh manis, which is iced tea in Indonesia. Okay, let's try this. Okay, first let me try the chicken. I don't know what's good about grilled chicken here. Balinese spices, but the aroma is very intense. Oh, this tastes so good. I don't regret not ordering the soup version, which is the more traditional one. I missed out on Nasi Champur, but I guess instead of vegetables, I can take this any day. This rice is chewier, more like the Indian Ocean. Wow. That one has fish, guys. Wow. Tastes just like what I get at home, the peanuts. Even the onion, man. I don't know. Typical Balinese food is just Indian food. Of course, except the spicy fish. Oh. This also feels like the salted and dried fish we have at home. Maybe the dried skin of salmon. As a man at the Uluwatu temple I met today told that he sells in Wikipedia. But I cannot tolerate online for it, but I guess this will do. Okay guys, see you later. I have a flight to catch. Bye bye. That's the Pandan mix. The green colored flavor, made of herbs, and it's going to make the bread. We are going to apply susu, Pandan. My flight's like in like 1.5 hours from now, but I'm gonna stop for you guys. Let's see, Ayam Murtabak. Oh, so much oil, dude. Not a wonder I gained weight here. Yeah, chicken butter. I tried yesterday. Yeah. In Ubud. Yeah. Slaps a layer of cheese on everything. Oh, this is butter.
Murtabak mas.
Yeah. Enough. That's butter, yes? Chocolate. Okay. Susu.
Detail. Oke.
Anu,
Gitu aja, Pak.
anunya nih. Apa? Tisu. Di bawah. Bawah mana?
Ya, gitu aja.
Oke.
Ya, ya.
No.
No.
Di atasnya kan. Nah.
Terima kasih.
Yo.
Alright guys, now we're going to try the dish we've been making for so long. Oh, it's pretty hot. I cannot eat with the mask, I forgot. Alright guys, now let's try the Ayam susu. It's very hot. Oh. There's a lot of milk in it, that's for sure. The bread is pretty sweet. Chocolate adds an extra layer of taste to it, but I think the main flavor comes from the Pandan. I'm really glad I chose it, and the milk is pretty overpowering. Overall, this gives you a pretty amazing dessert feel. It's even crunchy at the side. I think it makes it so. It's not very sweet like many other dishes, so I would definitely say I'll eat it if you come to Indonesia. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye. Start. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Mas.
Man,
Enak ini, Mas.
this is my kitchen.
Islam?
No, Hindu.
Oh, yes.
I'm from Chennai. Okay.
Thank you.
This comes with peanuts, some vegetables,